What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got three things that I want to cover here. One, we have our very first ever cryptocurrency insider trading case going on right now. Three men have been busted. Ishan Wahi, his brother Nikhil Wahi, and a family friend Ramani. So Ishan Wahi was a product manager at Coinbase. He was one of those people that was involved with figuring out which coins were going to be released on Coinbase. So he knew when they were going to be released before most people. So you can imagine how much money he, his brother, and his friend had made doing the insider trading. We all know the Coinbase effect. The minute that a project goes on to Coinbase, the price goes up, and it goes way up. Then not long after, the price drops as people are taking profit. Well, this guy right here, Ishan Wahi, his brother Nikhil Wahi, and Ramani, they knew before everybody else what was going to be released. They took full advantage of the Coinbase effect. Ishan Wahi was busted at an airport. He had purchased a one-way ticket to India. So obviously, he was trying to skedaddle. Tesla. Elon. Can Elon Musk ever stay true to his word? You remember when Elon Musk said, "I'm not going to sell any Bitcoin. Tesla won't sell any Bitcoin. We will accept Bitcoin for cars." Well, accepting Bitcoin for cars kind of went out the window, and now Tesla has sold 75% of its Bitcoin holdings. So last year, 2021, it was worth about $2 billion. Just recently, when they sold 75% of their Bitcoin holdings, it was only worth $936 million. They broke the number one rule. They sold at a loss. Perhaps maybe they should have held on to it. Elon, can you stay at your word? Can you say something true for once and just stick with it, please? I mean, you've done great things, but your word is not one of them. And lastly, Motley Fool. I like the article that they released because time in the market beats timing the market. I'm going to leave the link for the article in the description below. We're going to read this here because I really agree with it, and we'll kind of discuss it. The secret to winning with cryptocurrency while prices are tumbling. Well, mainly it's do your own research, be solid in the fact that you have done your own research, you know your project, and patience, patience, patience. Patience is what helped me get off the streets. Patience is where you are on the winning end when it comes to stocks, cryptocurrency, pretty much most investments, as long as you haven't invested more than you can comfortably lose, that is. The crypto market still looks promising, according to the Motley Fool. It's probably pretty difficult to look at your portfolio these days with it being crashed so bad, red all over the board. But some of the most popular players have seen their values tumble. They're selling out. They're getting out while they can. But it looks like it's getting better. The cryptocurrency market rebound this week is sending its value over $1 trillion. I believe we're at about $1.5 trillion. The biggest players, of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum, are showing signs of recovery. Algorand, obviously, people are still poking fun at it, saying it's not going up, but give it time. The harder the suppression and the longer the suppression, the higher the bounce. 5 years. That's what Motley Fool recommends. 5 years. I say a couple years, but 5 years, hey, if you can hold on for 5 years, awesome. The secret has two parts. First, it's important to take a long-term view of your cryptocurrency investments. If you're going to hold on to them for a long period of time. Don't try to time the market. It is time in the market. And secondly, this time right here, this crash, this crypto winter, it's bargains. They're sales. It's time to pick up and accumulate on those projects that you believe in. But none of that means a hill of beans if you've invested more than you can comfortably lose. None of it. You have got to realize that if you need the money right now, you're not going to survive these dips. That's just the way it works. But if you've only invested what you can comfortably lose, you have done your own research, you are solid in your project because your project isn't going anywhere, then it is going to recover. And these are times to accumulate. These are great times. These are sales. I am hoping for one that the crypto winter lasts longer. I would like to see lower prices and greater accumulation on my end. So if you could please do me a favor, sell all of your XRP, sell all of your Algorand, sell all of your XLM. If you hold Yieldly, go ahead and sell that too, and that would do me a great favor. And the other thing you can do me a favor would be like, a comment, a subscribe would be amazing. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys on the next one.